Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change an image or a picture perspective on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then we're going to swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here tap on gallery. Once you are in the gallery app, open up the albums that has the photo that you would like to edit, and in here we're going to go down and select an image. So I'm going to select this image here, then tap on the edit button at the bottom. Once you are in edit mode, you can tap on the transform button at the bottom here, then tap on the perspective button, which is this one right here. Now there are two different types of perspective. You can change the horizontal perspective, or you could change the vertical perspective. So what you want to do is select either horizontal or vertical, and then you can drag it to the left or to the right, depending on how you want to change the perspective of your pictures. Now you can drag it the other way around. So I'm just going to drag it with a negative degree, and now you can see on my left hand side, the picture increases as the right hand side decreases, and that kind of like changed the perspective of a picture. And that's it. So now as I drag it to my right, the picture on the left hand side seem to be further away, and the picture on my right hand side will seem to be closer to me. And that's how you can change the perspective of a picture. Now you can change the horizontal perspective. Oh, sorry, this is vertical perspective, not horizontal. And that's it. So I will make the pot look closer to me by simply increasing the size of the pot. And that's it. So that's how you can change the perspective of a photo. If you are happy, tap on the save button, then tap on save at the top. Now at a later time, if you decide that you want to go back to the original image, then you can tap on the edit button, tap on revert, then tap on revert to original, and in here tap on save, and finally you are now back with your original photo. And finally, you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.